Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just had a session. Basically, we got no trades for binary option today, but we found some beautiful lines, and we can see this one now is very close to a trade. So let's see now if we can maybe get a trade now on this one. Also, if you want to use the same broker you see that I'm using in this video, let me just prepare here before we do that. There, we are ready. Maybe get a trade here now. Basically, just use the link you see up there right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video, you find a promo code for this broker that give you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Also, you find some other brokers if you want to use other brokers. Okay, but this is the one I have ranked the best broker for binary option. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. And make sure you turn on this bell notification also when you're subscribed, so you don't lose any videos. Now let's see, I'm ready to go in. If you can come down to this line now. Come on. So we did not manage to get a trade in the session, but now you can see if you just follow, you can get one after. And we almost got one there. Almost not good enough. We need to come down to the line for us to take a trade. So let's see. Still not there. I'm in. Okay, he broke the line. That was sad, but let's see. That means we can't trade more this line, but we can probably still win it. Let's see. I will then put a line down at this region because it's nice also actually. So if we don't win this trade, I would then take a trade down here. So now let's see, we change for 200. So now we'll see how this pans out. We lost it, all okay. Then you can see how I get out of the trade. Now let's see, if we go down more, we will take a trade down here. Let's see. So now we just need to wait till we come down to this line and we'll go in again. Almost. Almost is not good enough. There we're in. Second trade. This one now we can turn to a red color. We can turn this to a 400. And the next defend line will be down here. I don't think that will be necessary, but it's just so you see my thought process against everything we do here now. So there you see, quite easily, even with a losing trade, you see how easy I bring the money back. I don't go crazy and just martingale on specific areas like now, like every closed bar I just jump in. I wait till specific areas. That's why martingale make it easy to make money and safe. Okay, so then when you go now to closed positions, you can see here now a beautiful trade. And you think, wow, so big. It's because I started big. I started with 350, 700. So basically I just started high. So I do some bigger trades once in a while. But yeah, you see when I lose, typically it's just one time if I lose a trade. So now you see he broke this line. Because this was never a trading line. Understand that. This was our trading line. I'm not continue trading on this line. I'm done with this pair now, just so you know. I was only interested in this line. This one was just a martingale trade because he will respect it, but probably just 1 or 2 times he will respect this line till he go down to this line. And this line is also not a trading line, okay? But I will explain that once more time. When I trade binary option and I find a beautiful line like the one we had here, right? What I then do, I will trade this line till it's broken. If it's broken, I will then just mark up extra lines. These extra lines I'm not trading after. They are just for getting out of the trade, okay? So make sure you have that correct. The beautiful line was up here. This was an extra one I did put up, but it was quite nice. I did see that it was not so strong, but at least we could trade it. And then I get out of the trade here. This one up here will probably last much longer. We can see if we can get any other trade in this video now. Or if we stop it here, we are now. We can check. I'm now checking all the lines. You see here now, here maybe I'm making a line to us here now. We can mark it and see how this looks like. And here, this line is nice, okay? But it's something I need to explain for you. Would I trade this one here? Then you need to count, okay? This is important. You see, he's respecting this line very beautifully, right? But we would have won this one. Yes, lost, won, lost. It's around 50% win rate. I don't trade this line. I need to have a little more space in between, because you see, every time he goes down, most of the time he actually close. So you can see, if you count here now, 1, 2, 3 winners, 1, 2, 3 losers. So I don't trade this line. I don't trade with 50% win rate. I need to see that we have space in between. So these two clear winners, right? This one clear winner. If this one's closed a little higher than this, yes, I would trade this line. So this is how I also pick out my lines. So it's very important that you start to, don't just put a line to see that you have this. You need to see that you would have won on the trades also, okay? When you start to implement all these type of things, then you will be a profitable trader for binary option, okay? But at least we got a trade. I'm happy with that. So with that, have an amazing day.